Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find the distance from the center at which the velocity in simple harmonic motion will be half and 1/3 of the maximum. How to find the distance? Today we discuss problem on simple harmonic motion. Let us see the problem. Find the distance from the center at which the velocity in simple harmonic motion will be half and 1/3 of the maximum. That means here half of the maximum, 1/3 of the maximum. This problem is very important, friends, in external exam point of view. Let us see the solution. What he says here, find the distance. Distance means x. Okay, we are finding here x. For that given center of at which the velocity. So velocity, we know velocity formula. Velocity v that is equal to minus mu under root a square minus x square. Here x square is distance or displacement, friends. Now I want to squaring on both sides. So v square that is equal to mu square into a square minus x square. Say this is 1. This is 1. Now what he says here, velocity maximum. Let us, when we get maximum, let us understand the diagram, friends. From the diagram, clearly we know here this is x is equal to 0. This is mean position. Okay, this is mean position. Now here we know v that is equal to 0, friends. Now gradually velocities increase here. Up to here we get maximum. When x is equal to 0, the velocity maximum. Again from here onwards, from if you go to like this, the velocity again decreases up to here. Again the velocity is equal to 0, friends. Okay. Where we get maximum velocity? At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. So maximum velocity at x is equal to 0, friends. At x is equal to 0. Substitute in 1 we get v square that is equal to mu square, x value is 0, so get a square. Now that implies v that is equal to a into mu. V that is equal to a into mu. Okay, maximum velocity a mu. Now what he says here, half of the maximum. So we are finding here distance, so that let x1 be the distance. Okay, x1 be the distance from the center at which the velocity will be half of the maximum. Will be half of the maximum. Okay, that means here v that is equal to half a mu. Okay, v that is equal to half a mu. Say substitute here, substitute in 1, substitute here, friends. Then we get here 1 by 2 a mu whole square, 1 by 2 a mu whole square, that is equal to minus mu square into a square into, we get here, what is the distance here? What is the distance? x1. Okay, here x becomes here x1. So x1 square. Squaring on both sides, we get here 1 by 4 a square mu square, that is equal to mu square into a square minus x1 square. Mu square cancel here. So you transpose x1 square left hand side and 1 by 4 a square to the right hand side, then we get here x1 square that is equal to a square minus 1 by 4 a square, that is equal to clearly here 4 minus 1 3 a square by 4. So what is distance here? X that is x1 that is equal to plus or minus under root 3 by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So under square root of a square is a. So this is the value. Okay, and then what he says here, 1/3 of the maximum. Say let same one friends. Let x2 be the distance from the center. Let x2 be the distance from the center at which the velocity will be the velocity will be here friends 1/3. So 1/3 of the maximum, 1/3 of the maximum. So here v that is equal to 1 by 3 a mu. Okay, here v that is equal to 1 by 3 a mu. Okay, 1 by 3 a mu. Substitute again in 1. Substitute in 1 here friends, in 1. 1 by 3 a mu whole square. 1 by 3 a mu whole square means 1 by 9 a square mu square, that is equal to mu square into a square minus, this time here friends what is distance here? Distance is x2. Distance is x2. So x2 square. Again here mu square cancel. Again by rearranging the terms here, we get x2 square that is equal to a square minus 1 by 9 a square. 1 by 9 a square. 9 minus 1 8 a square by 9. This is x2 square value. What is x2 value? We are finding x2 distance. So plus or minus square root of 8 by square root of 9 means 3. Square root of a square means a. Okay, this is the distance friends. Once again here we are finding distance friends. For that he given velocity. So we are write down the velocity formula and squaring on both sides we get this. Okay, and what he says the maximum. Okay, here at this point here at x is equal to a, the velocity is 0 friends, and gradually it increases at the equilibrium position or mean position we get maximum velocity. Okay, we get maximum velocity. So maximum velocity at x is equal to 0. We substitute x is equal to 0, we get v is equal to mu. Now what is we are finding here? Distance friends, when half of the maximum. So x1 will be the distance from the center at which the velocity will be half of the maximum. So v that is equal to 1 by a mu. I substitute simply here, then I get the distance friends. Then we get distance here. Similarly, second one, x2 will be the distance from the center at which the velocity will be 1/3 of the maximum. So v that is equal to 1 by 3 a mu. Again I substitute in the formula, we get the second distance friends, plus or minus square root of 8 by 3 a. This is about this problem friends. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.